Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change column colors in Excel chart. So let's start this in Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to create first column chart. So simply select the data, you just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. Then go to the insert tab. In charts group, click on the column charts option and in first 2D column, select the first column chart. And here you can see your column chart is inserted with the chart design tab and format tab. Just drag the corner point and you can increase the column chart size. And here I'm going to change the colors of the column. Simply click on the any column and you can see the all column here selected showing. Okay. The corner point here showing the selections. After that, just simply right click on the any column and click on the format data series option. And here you can see the format data series right hand side it's open. In series option, click on the first option fill and line. In fill, you can fill the colors in the column. Click on the second option, the solid fill, and here you can select the color of fill. So I select here the color, different color to fill the column. You can see you can select here the any color to fill the column. Okay. And the second way you can use the gradient fill. So I select here gradients option and just drag below and you can select here the different gradients color also. Just click on the gradient stops and select the color those you want and see the changes over here. Again, I select the one gradient stops and select here the different colors. See the changes over here. Again, I select and select here the different color. See the gradient changes is showing here. Okay. Feel the colors is different way. Okay. You can change here the stop. Okay. So you can see the changes in the column colors. See the changes when I drag and set the stop. Okay. So this is a way you can use the gradient fields. Okay. And now you can use pattern fill also. Okay. There are different pattern is available. You can use here. See the different pattern is available. You can select here the different pattern for fill the columns. Okay. You can use here the different color of pattern also. So I select here the colors and you can use here the different patterns. Okay. Background color also you can select on different pattern. You can see the background color also changed. Okay. See here. Then borders, you can select here the different borders. So I just click on the fill and click on the border. In border color also you can select here the different border color. You can increase the thickness of border also. See the here yellow colors border is added. Okay. Dash types border also you can add here. So there is a dash types border available. Just click on and see the yellow dashes border added in every column. Okay. So this way you can use here fill color option. So this is the way you can change the column colors in Excel chart. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.